Hi, my name is Nora. Welcome to this channel where you can learn, experience, and create the fitting rhythm. So today's video is going to be very casual. You can even see my shirt. It says time for the good vibes. And I even got my seltzer. I really like this brand, especially this flavor. It's pretty good. So what are we going to talk about today? Today I want to talk about how to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself should be one of your main priorities, and that's because you never know when you're gonna use these skills that you invest in yourself along your path or along your way in your life. I know it's easier said than done because sometimes laziness and fear really kick in. I mean, come on, let's be honest. We all get lazy from time to time. I'll be actually making a new video about that, so stay tuned. And you can use your fears to your advantage. I actually made a video about that. I'll link it down below. So whenever you feel alone or you feel like you're bored, you can maybe work on being less lazy and face your fears. Maybe that would be a good step to start on. I actually made a list of a few things that you can be productive with or feel like a sense of productivity when you invest in yourself. Number one, you can work on your self-growth and self-development. You can read books about self-help or watch videos online. There are tons of resources out there. I actually wrote a book called The Freeing Rhythm, same name as the channel. It's pretty much a guide that helps you reach your potential and maximize your growth. I also made a few videos, for example, about how to get rid of limiting beliefs, how to face your fears, and there will be more videos coming, so stay tuned for that. I'll actually be posting one video a week, if not two, so stay tuned. So investing in your self-growth will help you tremendously because it will allow you to excel in your life, and it will allow you to be more mindful and less reactive, and it will help you reach your potential and maximize your growth. So work on yourself and your self-development and growth. And I promise you this channel will be a great source for that. Number two, you can learn a language. I mean, how cool is it to be able to understand and speak another language? Not only is it cool, but it's also useful because it'll allow you to stand out in any career path that you pursue. Also, it's a lot of fun. So lately, I've been trying to learn Spanish, and I personally use Duolingo. I'm sure a lot of people know about that app, and I'm sure there are a lot of other apps that you can use out there. What I like about it is that it makes you repeat the words or concepts over and over until it sticks with you. So it's really a lot of fun. Also, if you ever plan to travel somewhere, it would be really cool to be able to speak the language and converse with the locals. Number three, you can learn self-defense. I haven't learned that yet, and I really want to because it's on my list of things to do, and it's really important to know a lot of self-defense techniques because you never know when you're going to face danger and you don't want to be a victim to your circumstances. So you can enroll in a class or you can watch videos, and once you know a few moves, maybe you can practice with your brothers and sisters or significant other or kids, and you never know, they might be really impressed with your new moves and they want to learn them. Number four, exercise. I'm sure everybody knows the benefit of exercise by now. It helps with oxygenating the body. It's great for the heart. It helps you stay in shape and so forth. And it's really, really important to take care of your body because it's your vessel in this life. It's your vessel that allows you to move and do things and accomplish things in life, and so that you can reach your destination and your growth. Also, you want to experience life and enjoy it as well, so take care of your body. You can find exercises that you like walking, hiking, swimming, if you have a pool. You can also do exercises at home with videos, or even dancing. I know a lot of people use TikTok now. I don't know if I'll ever get that app, but hey, if it helps you move your body and exercise and be in shape, then why not? Just use what you love to do for exercise. Number five, reading. It's self-explanatory by now. Reading helps you expand your knowledge, makes you more sophisticated. You know a lot of big words. So you can borrow books from the library, and if you have a library card, you can access a lot of books online as well. And I know they have a lot of digital or audiobooks as well that you can listen to. Sometimes it's really cool to listen to an audiobook while you're doing other stuff like cleaning or organizing, whatever it is, or driving. And if you have the resources, you can get an app that has a lot of audio books, all the new releases. I think Audible is one of them, maybe the only one, I don't know. Also, I might make an audiobook out of my guide, so stay tuned for that. Number six, painting. Now, I know you're gonna say I'm not an artist, and believe me, neither am I, and that's okay. You don't have to be an artist to paint. Painting is a form of expression, so you can just do what you can, just express yourself. If you remember when we were younger, we really loved to draw and to paint and, to express ourselves. So what changed now? Why can't we do that? Also, it's a form of relaxation that can help you relax and maybe rejuvenate. You never know. Also, you might be surprised with your artwork. You might be like, wow, this thing is really, really good. I'm gonna hang it on my wall. Number 7, you can play chess. I think chess is a great game. A lot of leaders throughout history love playing this game because it helped them strategize and it helped them to think ahead. And so should you. So why not learn it? You can actually learn it on the computer. You can play with others online. It's a great game. And you never know who you might play against one day. Maybe you'll be one of those leaders. You never know. Number 8, you can learn photography. You can learn how to do composition. You can learn about aperture, about ISO, about depth of field. There are a lot of terms about photography that a lot of people don't know, and it can be helpful when you take pictures. You can even take a picture of your kid, of your cat, of your dog, or maybe of your teddy bear. You can take a picture of anything, really, just so that you can practice your photography skills. So why not do that? You never know when you need to take or capture the greatest photo. Number 9, you can write. Writing is also another form of expression. You can write in your journal, or you can write poem or short stories. You can use new vocabularies that you've just learned recently and apply it to your writing. You can even start a blog if you feel like you want engagement with others. And you never know, you might write a book one day. It might inspire you enough to write a book one day about your life. You might have had a very interesting life and you just want to share it with the world. So why not? Number 10, you can practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is extremely important because it helps us with raising our awareness, and it helps us also to be less reactive. Just reap the benefits of mindfulness. I actually made a video about mindfulness. I'll link it down below as well, and I also talk about it more in details in my guide. I'll link that down below as well. So mindfulness is extremely important and it will help you in all aspects of your life. So go ahead and practice mindfulness. You know what, I was going to do 10, but hey, I'll throw in another one. Number 11. I don't really have enough hands for 11, but anyways. Number 11, you can figure out your purpose in life. You can just sit down and find out what your gifts are, find out what you're passionate about, and how you can apply your gifts and your passion into providing value to others. So that should be your mission. You can sit down and try to figure out what is your purpose in life. You can actually learn more about your purpose in my guide. I'll link it down below like I mentioned before. And it's extremely important to know what is your purpose and how you can share it with the world. And also, you'll be able to make a living out of it. So it's really, really important that you sit down and figure out what is your purpose. And you might already know what your purpose is, so keep going in your path and don't stop until you reach your destination. For example, if you love cooking, you can learn new recipes, you can go to school to become a chef, or you can work in a restaurant as a sous chef or chef assistant until you have your own title of being a chef. You can even write a book about new recipes that you came up with. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead and figure out your purpose because it's really, really important. And it will help you figure out a way to make a living out of it as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please share it with somebody who might benefit from it today, and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would really, really help me out a lot. So that's it. I hope to see you soon. Bye.